Cody. I'm from Ohio, and this is what end-stage heart failure looks like. This is literally what keeps me alive. This is a mobile life support system called an LVAD, a left ventricular assist device, and it does the work for my heart so my heart can rest. As you can see, I had open heart surgery. I was split open. The cord goes into my stomach, right in there. I don't have a bandage on because I'm changing it today. And this is my wall power source right here. So if I unplug it, I have no power. It's got an alarm, but it also does have a backup battery. So if the alarm goes off, the backup battery's in charge. And then if that runs out, I have a backup battery in here. But the backup battery in here lasts for 15 minutes.